Welcome to the Ops MVS Best Practices video, Address OSF Host Command Instruction. I'm Susan Kelly, Information Engineer for the Ops MVS Event Management Automation team. This video will provide a brief overview of the Address OSF function, its characteristics, how and where it is used. The Operations section will provide some examples of using Address OSF and what is expected to be returned from using the functionality. The Operator Server Facility, OSF, is a base component of the CA Ops MVS product, which permits users to schedule Ops Rex programs, TSO-E Rex programs, or C-lists, and TSO commands for Ops MVS to execute. To summarize, there are three main features of the OSF: servers, control facility, and ECF support. For this topic, we will focus on OSF address spaces that execute Ops Rex programs. Address OSF is a Rex keyword instruction or host command environment unique to Ops MVS. The Address OSF command exclusively interacts with Ops MVS AOF rules or Ops MVS programs by allowing the asynchronous scheduling of Ops Rex commands and programs, as well as TSO commands. The commands are shipped out for processing to the OSF servers, which are ZOS-started task address spaces started on behalf of the Ops MVS main address space. The Address OSF instruction routes commands to Ops MVS TSO server address spaces. Use one of these command coding formats to schedule an Ops Rex exec to run asynchronously in an OSF server. The program output from TSO commands directed to the OSF host environment is not returned to rules or the Ops Rex program. Host commands sent to a server through Address OSF cannot contain more than 6,144 bytes. This includes the command text and any additional parameters. This slide shows two examples of Rex coding using Address OSF. Example 1 shows how to issue a command to get OSF server allocations. Example 2 uses Rex code and utilizes the Ops CMD POI to display the system time. This slide shows two additional examples of Rex code. Example 3 uses OSF from a TOD, time of day rule, to send a program to an OSF server and passing an argument. Example 4 uses the Address OSF from a CMD, or command rule, to create a WTO, write to operator message out on the system. This table shows the Address OSF return codes. The Address OSF return codes indicate whether a command was successfully sent to the OSF execute queue. They do not imply that a command executed successfully in a server. You can also execute this table in the Ops MVS documentation at docops.ca.com. This concludes the best practices video for Address OSF host command instruction. For more detailed information about Ops MVS, please visit our product documentation, go to product support, visit the communities, or follow the learning paths. You can also find more videos in the best practices video suite on our YouTube channel through CA Education. Or feel free to leave a comment on the Ops MVS documentation by visiting docops.ca.com and choosing the Ops MVS product. Thanks for watching.